Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be shooting with the beautiful Suki right over here. You can check out her Instagram in the description section down below. Make sure you go check that out. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. Today I am going to be shooting, aside with this beautiful model, I'm going to be using my Nikon Zf mirrorless retro camera with me with the 40mm f2 lens. Again, if you have any questions, let me know. Let's get to it. Right there. Good. Can I have your eyes right here? That's pretty. Can I have you lean against? Yeah, that's cool. We can do that. Actually, lift that one for me. Good. And just look right there. Okay, let's see right here. Lean forward a little bit. There we go. Like that. This is pretty right there. Very pretty. Cool. Oh shit. Let's see right there. Okay. Let's see arms. Let me see something like this. Okay. Yeah, that's it. No, yeah, right there. Right there. That's nice. That is pretty. Can I see like let me see. Put your feet out and then at least right there. Yeah, that's yeah, exactly. Like that. That's pretty. We have Suki right here. Again, as I said, I'm currently shooting with the Nikon Zf camera with the 40mm lens. If you have any questions, let me know down below. I will not be using any flash photography to capture her, so we are searching for good light. One way is right here underneath the shadow of a nice tree. Even though it's about 10:30, we can still find good light, even when the average lighting is pretty harsh. Okay, let's see here. That's pretty cool. Can I get some that are like as if you're walking toward me? So just put one leg in front and then yes, play with the jacket. Exactly. Good. And go. I like this. Move back just a little bit so get that light on you. There we go. Can you, is this wet? Oh no, this is I like that color. For this one. No, this is a nice one. Good. Almost like, yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly. Right? Yeah, I like that. give me one second. There we go. And then, but I like the sun right here. It's even though it's hard, it gives really good contrast. So it's gonna look very edgy. Does that make sense? So now look at the way. Can you put one knee up? Exactly. Yeah, this is nice. This is nice. It's okay. You're tough. You're a busy mountain climber. Yes. So I know you could do it. Switch your hands. There we go. There we go. Now I have. Hey everyone, so Suki right now is getting dressed for our third and last look. I just want to give you a quick little rundown on my experience so far shooting with the Nikon ZF. As I said earlier, I have the 40mm f2 lens that came as a kit. And I'm going to say so far, I'm really enjoying the experience. Of course, the handling could be better. It will be dramatically improved once I do get the small rig grip. I'm sure it's going to feel much better, but ultimately it's lightweight. I for sure don't feel weighed down with this combination right here. I've been shooting everything in color. Primarily f4 and f2 have been the apertures that I've been shooting with. It is a little bit harsher out right now, so that's why I'm looking for shade. And then when I do shoot in the sunlight, where it's a lot more harsh, then I'm making sure to purposely go for I'm purposely going for more of a dramatic look, thus to the lack of dynamic range. The shadows are going to be super dark and the highlights are going to be super high. So always keep that in mind, especially when you know you're going to have to deal with that later on in Lightroom. With that said, in this last look, I'm going to shoot all in the black and white mode of the ZF. And as many of you know, the ZF right here in the dial has a dedicated switch for you to switch to. And there it is right there for black and white. So, of course, I will be sharing a lot of these photos with you. I will be posting the high-res versions, a link to for you to check out the color as well as the black and white photos. If you have any questions, let me know, post them down below. Good, this is pretty dope. Yeah, like right there. Oh, this is nice. I like this a lot. Right there. I like this whole look. Stay right there. Touch your glasses. Look at me, look at me. So you're just something like, exactly. That's cool, that'll work. Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah. If you feel like you're gonna fall, it probably looks awesome. Yeah, but it probably looks really awesome. Hey, listen. Like that. Okay, look what I'm gonna do. We're gonna go really dramatic. Okay? Yeah, we want drama. Something like that. See if you can get like, whoa. Let's try it. We try it without the bag. Yes, that's fine. Yeah, something very dramatic. Get your, make sure your butt is off. Exactly. And maybe even, can you kick that up a little? When I say go, you just lift, no. Get your butt off that thing. Watch me. I'm 44, damn it. No, so you're here, right? When I say go, just push off and just kick a little bit. Just kick a little bit. Boom, but let me see, you're gonna lean on that. Tough, it's not gonna go back. But see how I'm pushing off this?
I'm not light.
You're not light. You better knock it off. You're light. You got, okay. And okay, like that. Yeah. This is awesome. Ooh, I'm glad I'm recording all this. Oh, this is gonna look good. Okay, can you turn a little toward me? Yeah, that's cool. Let's go for that. Yeah, push your hip up. There we go. That's. Turn your face a little toward the light. Put the yeah, keep that arm the way it is. Cool. Now look this way. Turn your chin. No, keep that arm down. Now look this way. Good. Don't move. Chin up a little bit. There we go. I hope you enjoyed my photo shoot with Suki and the Nikon ZF with the 40mm f2.0 lens. I left the link in the description section for you to check out the Nikon camera for yourself, as well as for you to go ahead and follow Suki on Instagram. As I mentioned earlier, I primarily shot all in natural light during some definitely harsh lighting conditions. It was a beautiful, picture perfect sunny day. If you enjoyed the results, then you must enjoy the dynamic range I was able to utilize in this camera. In a future video, I will also be showing you flash photography using the Nikon ZF as well, so stay tuned for that. Now, I do want to let you know that I now offer exclusive content for the members of my channel, and everyone who's a part of it receives some great perks. One is early releases to my uploaded videos. That's right, you will be getting early access to view my videos sooner than everybody else. If you enjoyed this video and you would like to see more, don't forget to press that like, that share, that subscribe, and yes, smash that bell icon to get notifications for my upcoming content. I'm Robert Silver, and until next time, keep shooting and stay creative.